Got 3 packs of Champion's Path for today. All Obstagoon arts. So let's break into them. This is the first pack. Yeah, I haven't had much luck with Champion's Path packs, in all honesty. They haven't treated me too well. But let's see if we can pull something nice today. 4. Starting off with the Psychic Energy. Teeny Elgrunt. Trend. Okay. Roly-Poly. Sizzlipede. Purrloin. Nice Scraggy art. And Sharpedo Reverse Hollow. For the rare, Lycanroc. It's pack 1. And break into the next pack. Same pack art, so nothing much to look at. Two, three, 4. Fighting Energy to start it off. Here's Suspicious Food 10. Sonia. Okay. Galarian Zigzagoon. Trubbish. Full Heal. Sizzlipede. And Reverse Hollow Sizzlipede. And for the rare, pulled the Incineroar V. Nice pull. Representing Smash Bros. Got our last pack here. See Kakuna on top. Fire Energy. Rotom Phone. Turffield Stadium. Fede. Kakuna. Pokeball. Machop. Hatenna. Full Heal. Prick. Reverse Hollow. And another Lycanroc Hollow. Been pulling the doubles these past few days, but I don't know. We got the Incineroar V, which I'm more than happy with. So, good set of packs for today.